Compose an SMS demonstration. In this video, Benhermas will show you exactly how a Compose an SMS card works using our LED card, our transparent card, and our plastic card. Phone model used in this demonstration is iPhone 13. For a full list of compatible devices, please visit the Compatible Devices section on our website.
Next, we'll show you a real-life demonstration of how the Compose an SMS card works with the LED card.
This is the LED Smart Card, designed with custom graphics and artwork. It's the same size as a standard credit card. On the back, you'll find a QR code. When tapped on a phone, the LED Smart Card instantly opens a pre-filled SMS draft to the number and message of your choice. As it activates, the orange LED blinks, an elegant confirmation, while the SMS link appears on the phone. Simply open it and you'll see an example draft saying, "Hello? It was great chatting at event. Let's stay in touch." The message is ready to send to the programmed number, fully under the control of the phone's owner. No apps are needed. And for phones without NFC, scanning the QR code on the back provides the exact same function. The card requires no battery, works endlessly at no extra cost, and only needs a one-time purchase. Simple, reliable, and direct messaging powered by your LED Smart Card.
Next, we'll show you a real-life demonstration of how the Compose an SMS card works with the transparent card.
This is the transparent Smart Card. Designed with a sleek, see-through finish, it's the size of a standard credit card and delivers a clean, modern, and professional look. The card features a QR code. When tapped on a phone, the link appears right on the phone's screen. Open it, and you'll see your customized Send To number and message. For example, you can send a message like, "Hello! It was great chatting at event. Let's stay in touch." From there, the phone owner has complete control to send it as is or edit it further before sending it. No apps are required. And for phones without NFC, simply scanning the QR code provides the exact same experience. The transparent Smart Card needs no battery, never expires, and works at no extra cost. It's a one-time purchase, no subscriptions. A stylish, reliable, and effortless way to share your message, powered by your transparent Smart Card.
Next, we'll show you a real-life demonstration of how the Compose an SMS card works with the plastic card.
This is the plastic Smart Card. Built with a solid, durable finish, it's the same size as a standard credit card but designed for everyday use with a professional look. The card includes a QR code on the back as part of its design. When tapped on a phone, the link appears right on the phone's screen. Open it, and you'll see your customized number and message ready to go. For example, "Hello! It was great chatting at event. Let's stay in touch." From there, the phone's owner can send it directly or edit it further before sending it. No apps are needed, and if a phone doesn't support NFC, scanning the QR code on the back delivers the exact same function. The plastic card requires no battery and comes with no subscriptions or hidden costs. It's a one-time purchase. Simple, reliable, and always ready to formulate your message.
Next, we'll guide you through a real-life demonstration showing exactly what you need to provide and how to provide it so we can create your Compose an SMS card.
First, you'll select your card type, whether it's the LED card, the transparent card, or the plastic card. Next, under the NFC and QR code section, you'll choose what happens when the card is tapped or when the QR code is scanned. For a Compose an SMS card, simply select Compose an SMS option. This will automatically open a new SMS draft on the phone with your programmed number and message. Enter the phone number you want the SMS to be sent to, exactly as it would be entered on the sender's phone. For example, if you want the SMS to be sent to the number 90939000003, just enter it exactly as 90939000003. As for the message body, you have two options. Leave it empty so the person whose phone taps your card can write their own message, or enter a message that will appear automatically, such as separated by comma from the phone number. Hello? It was great chatting at event. Let's stay in touch. Be aware that you take full responsibility for the accuracy and validity of the number and any message you provide, ensuring they are correct, active, and safe for use.